Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're doing hard TMUA questions. It's gonna be day number 3, alright? And this question is absolutely horrendous, right? Well, that's what it looks like. But is it horrendous? I don't even know at this point what we all call horrendous. But the question says, let f be some kind of weird r to something r. You probably have never seen that. Be a continuous function such that all real x and y satisfy f x plus y is f of x, f of y minus f x y. So like if you see this question, you probably want to skip it, right? But no, that's not what we're gonna do because they're trying to make it look hard, and that's what TMUA tries to do. They're trying to make questions look hard, but in reality, it's not that hard. Let's gather some information from this question. First of all, it says it's a continuous function. I think you guys should give it a try first. See what you do with it, and then if you get stuck, just watch this video again. So first of all, you need to recognize as a continuous function. F of 0 is 2 are very important information, and of course the most important information, this expression. So I think what people struggle on with this question is don't know where to start. The first thing I would start is okay, going like if f of function x equals 2, right? And when that is when x equals 0. So let's see what maybe f of y will equal, because I can put in 0 in my f function. I can get f of y. So I can go f of 0 plus y equals f of 0 f of y minus f of 0 times y. And then that simplifies to f of y gives f of 0 for y minus f of 0, because 0 times y is 0. So we can go f of y equals 2f of y, because f of 0 is f of 2, right? So f of 0 is 2, right? From here. So then we can go, okay, 2f of y minus 2, right? And so now we can just like solve this like a normal thing. We can like treat, let's just say let z equal f of y. Z equals 2z minus 2 minus z equals minus 2, and that means that z equals 2. That means f of y equals 2. So that means basically whatever value y is, so it can be 0, 1, 2, so you can do any of these numbers to whatever, it will always give the same output as 2, right? And that is one of our things, right? It's one of our options here. So yeah, and that is what you do to get the correct answer. C is. Do I think this question was hard? Kind of, from the way it looks like, right? It looks hard, doesn't it? But the thing is, when you're doing these questions, you just want to sub in one of your values given in and then solve it, and you'll get the answer. I wrote this question a bit more difficult than the other ones just because of how it looks, right? I don't think people want to do this question. Well, I'll give you a 3 out of 5 difficulty, right?